Hi, today I'm for Redmi Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So let's first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. So by the same way we could add here more application to our folder. If you want to rename it, just click once on the name and enter the new one, then just tap the OK to home button and we can see that we just changed it successfully. To move folder here on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. So let's just go back. To remove the application from here, hold the up and drag it to the home screen if you wanna stay with this application on the home screen. But if you wanna just remove it from the home screen, if you click here to uninstall, you will install it from your device. So if you also we can edit the folder, just hold it, tap to edit, and we can switch the size of this folder from the regular to the enlarge, and again back to the regular one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.